All right, what's going on, everybody? We're here with the Lincoln again for a part two. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be installing a V2 series light bar from FCK. It's an RGB light bar, and we're going to be putting on gator backs on the back because of Montana law. Running wide wheels, you have to run mud flaps. So let's get right into this video.
So Gatorback comes with the multi-leg for installation purposes on any vehicle. On this Lincoln, we're going to have to cut them down to here to get them to hang perfect so we're not hitting everything on the ground.
All right, so we got all the mud flaps mounted together. Now we're going to put them on the truck. Right? Two. All right, so we're going to be mounting this All right, everybody, so we're going to be mounting this V2 series light bar from FCK. It's a full RGB color changing with floods on the end, spots in the middle. We're going to be mounting it behind this grill right here. It's going to fit behind it just like that. We just drilled the holes that we're going to mount it to. So we're going to set this in there. All right, buddy, so we got the Gator back mud flaps installed on the rear. We also got the V2 series FCK light bar up front installed. The V2 series is one of my favorites. It's one I run on my personal truck. If you guys like this light bar, hit the link in the description below and use promo code REDSLED1997.